till the day I die.
Welcome on my YouTube channel. So, dear friends, this video will be about these old Czechoslovak Tesla bass speakers. This is the next case when I must buy it. I must say I love these speakers. 340 millimeters, and they were produced since late 50s, early 60s. This pair in the with the green color, or something like green, were produced in the year 1961. So they are about 64 years old. And these silver were produced in 1977, 1978. And these speakers were mounted in the professional Tesla speaker boxes. You can find them, or you could find them in the cinema boxes, Tesla AKR301. There were mounted 4 pieces of this, this older version. You can find them in the Delicia 30 watts. There were these, there were 2 pieces. You can find them in the active monitors, Tesla ARS 631. There was 1 piece with 3 Tesla ARE 667 full-range speakers as a mid-range, and with the legendary horn compression tweeter driver Tesla ART 481. These I've mentioned were all professional boxes, but they were mounted also in one type of hi-fi boxes. It was the Supraphone RK60, but in this Supraphone's RK60, it was too small enclosure, too small box, for closed box for such a speaker. The best inner volume for closed enclosure is at least 150 liters, better 200 liters minimum inner volume. I can mention this book because this is something like Bible for the Tesla speaker fans. You can find there not everything, but you can find here info about many types of Tesla speakers, and also about the boxes which I have mentioned, including the drawings, including technical data and everything. And I would like to mention also one box, do-it-yourself box, Tesla KE150. It's incredible good sounding box. Maybe I will find it. I will find it anywhere here. Oh yes, KE150, including drawing schematics of the crossover. They were produced not factory product, but as do-it-yourself box. I have 2 these books. This is from the year 1976, speakers and speaker boxes Tesla. So if anybody is interested, I can sell this. And this is which I use. I don't say every day, but I use it very often, because there are a lot of technical data of speakers and speaker boxes Tesla. Unfortunately, these speakers are not in 100% condition, but it can be used. You can see my video. If I don't forget, I put here active link with this speaker, because here it is damaged by the openings for the screws, and the previous owner I think, damaged it by dismounting from speaker boxes, from the boxes with screwdriver, pierced the cone surrounding. So I tried to fix it, and these speakers were also very dirty with a lot of dust. So you can see also the videos how to clean such speakers, not to damage them. I will put also active link if I don't forget. So let's try the sound. So 1961. This is the last one. Yes, this is not a correct sound testing. It should be in the box, in the enclosure. But I must say, I love the sound of these speakers. And as it is usual, all of these speakers are for sale. You can find them later on my website, Angelicaaudio CZ, on the page Bass Speakers. So thank you for watching, thank you for subscribing my YouTube channel, and if you like my videos, you can also join my channel. You receive some perks, you can watch all my videos as a members first, and you can receive also some free gifts from me, some of them free shipping European Union, some of them the bigger ones not with free shipping. So once more, thank you and have a nice day.